Good afternoon. Can someone turn that down for me? 1 second. When I start like this, I'll turn this down. All right. Let's say hello to everybody. And a big hello to Mr. Sims. He's currently streaming from Hawaii. All right. Good morning. Who do we have in here today? Georgia, Natalia. Oh, hold on, let me make sure Natalia's in here so we don't have to do it too many times. She's not in here at the moment. Unhuman. Is that Sasha? Oh, yeah, you are Unhuman. Okay, there you go. Say hello.
Hi.
That's Georgia, Natalia, your best friend. No, apart from Emily. Emily, Emily,
Hi.
you need to come in the camera. Come in the camera, Emily. Say hello.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Say hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. Oh. Bye bye. Hello.
Cheese brain. Alamedi, come and say hello. Come and say hello. Come and say hello. Mr. Sims wants to see you. Mr. Sims likes you. No, nobody wants to see you. I'm joking. Everybody wants to see you. Come quickly, Alamedi, before Mr. Sims goes to have his breakfast because he's in Hawaii.
Hello. Hello, Mr. Sims.
Hi, Olamide. I'm just enjoying breakfast in Hawaii. I've still got 5 minutes left, so I'm gonna let Mr. Hines get on with his lesson.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sims. Okay, guys, right. As you can see, I've got the code here, which we need to get down ASAP. All right, if you haven't done this already, okay? Can everybody make sure they have, and including that as everybody in the room, except for Ignacio, who's goes onto my account, takes my code, and basically puts his code. I didn't realize that was him doing that. Okay, nice. But anyway, yes, you can do it. You can. Why do you want to know, Georgia? Okay, Emily, how are you doing? Yeah. So everybody needs to have this code on their screen in their bit. This needs to be at the top underneath body. Okay, underneath body. All right. Natalia, let me know if you've done that. So underneath, find body in your code. Shh. Guys, let's focus on the coding. Then we can chill out a little bit later. But let's get some meat done now, yeah? Quickly. Ooh, Emily, you're so different in this. Right, after body, div, space, ID equals palette. Someone tell me what that means. What does it mean? Div ID, why, miss? Yes, but what does the div mean? Yep. So it's a box what? It's a box, and we've called it? No. It's a div box, and I've called it qua. No, man, it's right there. Div ID palette. Yes? Because we're going to make a color palette, exactly. Okay, so everyone needs to make sure that underneath body, this code here is in their website. Okay, have you done that? Done that? Olamidi's on the case. Have you done it? Oh, I did it for you, did I? Oh. Sorry? No, leave that one. So just underneath the tag body, find the opening tag body and press enter twice. Make some space. Once you've got underneath the body tag, which you can see is just here on my screen, here, the body tag. Underneath the body tag, you have the div ID palette and a div class pen. Okay? All right. I want you guys to start getting that code in there. Natalia, how are you doing? Elijah, how are you doing? Fantastic. Good. Well done, Elijah. I'll give a few moments to get those who need to catch up on that. Natalia, how are you doing? I'll give you 2 minutes to try and get the rest of that code in there for me, please. Don't worry if you don't. This is being recorded today. Yes. Ooh. Oh yeah, I forgot you guys are on YouTube actually. I have to check those permissions later.
Don't worry. The school already done. The school only put me on.
Did your mum say that?
Before.
Okay. Let me just ask another question. Everyone in year 5 should get this. And so I'm going to ask that also on the chat in the thing. No, you act 5. You're not in year 5. It's a joke, Alejandro. Question: what's a function? Very good, Brian. What do you think?
It is a piece of code which tells it the function.
A function is a program that has many. Thank you. Okay, are we still doing that code? Elijah and Natalia, are you okay? Natalia, have you finished? Okay, cool. All right, thank you. We'll be back in a sec. Terribly sorry about that, children. Terribly sorry about that. Natalia, how are you doing? And Elijah, how are you doing? What time is it now? Almost done. Okay, cool, brilliant. I think that's probably as much as we're going to get done today because everyone else is doing that. Alejandro, how are you? You're not on YouTube, I heard. Good. Brian?
Yep, on YouTube.
How are you doing at the code now? Yeah? Fantastic. Okay.
Is that all the code?
No, it's not all the code. We need to do... Yeah, we need to do some JavaScript. So join me not tomorrow, on Monday. I'll be here in the school anyway. We'll finish it all next week. I'll finish it with all the schools will finish next week, which we're pretty much there. Ignacio's finished. So we're almost there. All right, Emily? Just need to copy and paste it. Have you got 8 by 8? 8 by 8, yeah? So 8 down, 8 down and 8 across, okay? And then we're going to do some JavaScript on Monday. Everything should be good for JavaScript. Everyone should be ready to go. I'm pretty sure everyone's almost done. If Ignacio's is working, then we can just get everybody else's to work. Sorry? TinkerCad is now. Mr. Sims is just going to come online right now and do TinkerCad with us right this moment, okay? They're waiting for you, sir. They're waiting for you. They want TinkerCad.
So how are we doing today, guys? Give me a 1 in the chat at home. Give me a yes. I think... Mr. Hines, because can I just find out who's actually finished their dice? Nice one. Put your hand up if you finish your dice. If you haven't, it's fine, by the way. So Olamide, have you? So is that pretty much everyone, Mr. Hines? I can actually see that.
Maybe about 3, 4.
4. So still a couple of people still need to do it.
Yeah, just a couple more people. That's it.
All right, let's do 5 minutes of that then first.
Okay.
Okay, cool. So if you can stop screen sharing, please, Mr. Hines, and I will get to here. So guys, we've got 5 minutes of finishing our dice. So let's go to tinkercad.com. I'll put it in the chat quickly. Let me share my screen with you guys. Let me log out quickly and log back in. So guys, go to tinkercad.com, as you all already know. Click on sign in. Sign in with Google. Pretty simple. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Ah, finally. Okay, it took me through different things. So then we go to our dice. Tinker this. And let's all get... Has everyone basically got theirs done though? They just got a couple of sides to do. Has anyone got the whole dice to do or anything like that? Give me a 1 in the chat or 2. Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the classroom. 1. Right. You got the whole dice. Nice one. Okay. So I'm going to give everyone 5 minutes to finish it anyway. And then I'm going to do a side of the dice whilst you guys finish it. Right, so let's go. 5 minutes, guys. 7 past 4. I'm going to stop doing this. So first, what I'm going to do is pick my side. I think I'm going to do the bottom. So straighten that up. Let's zoom in a little bit. So yeah, I used to change my side with this cube up here on the left-hand top left. Zoom in. Sorry, say that. Sorry, Mr. Hines.
The blue okay again, if you can, possibly.
Yes, yeah, of course I can.
Thank you.
So there we go. So what do I have to do next? Well, I can either click work plane here because you need to select the side you're going to work on as it's a 3D object, or I can just press W, which I'm going to do. That's the shortcut, and then click on the side I want to work with. Now, if you can see, if I move this dice, you can see the work plane is on the bottom. Right, cool. So we've done that. Next thing you know, and remember your dice needs to be locked as well, guys. Let me just make sure this one is locked. Yes, it is. Cool. So I'm going to select the text. Well, that text is actually the wrong way around. So there's something I need to do first. Let's make it smaller. Is it the wrong way around? Possibly not, because look, that looks like it's upside down. So I actually need to swing that the right way round. Now the text is the correct way round. I'm going to move that over there into the middle. Actually, you see, you come up here to shape, and you change the text in here, in this box here that says text. I need to change it to another big cat, and so cat. Let's make it easier, guys. I'm going to change the right into white. And I'm going to make that smaller, quite a bit smaller actually, so that can fit plush in the middle of my dice, the middle of the face of it anyway. And I'm going to reduce the height to like 1. So that's sitting flat on the dice. Move that. You can actually use the arrows to move it as well, which I'm going to do here. Could be a little bit smaller just to fit in there nice. And want to fit it straight in the middle. That's what you really want to do, guys. Sorry, let me press Control Z. I press Control Z there to go back because I made a mistake. Just to let you know. Okay, let's lock this on and see how it looks. I think the other sides are a little bit in both, so I'm going to actually change the height of this. Select that, unlock it. So I still had to unlock it again, if you see, to go back to it, guys. Let's increase the height a little bit. There you go. There you go. Okay, let's lock that back on. And hopefully now we have another side. Yes, we do. So I think that's that dice pretty much done. Now I've got one more side. It's a little bit high actually. So let's unlock that and change it. 1. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, I think that's about right. Lock that again so that doesn't move. Now the shape's all locked together, the dice and all the words. So I've got one more side. So I'm going to look at that, go to the back. I'm going to press W. I'm going to select that side. Select the text. Definitely change the height of that. Make it a bit smaller so it's easy to work with instead of taking up your whole screen, something you definitely don't want to do. Let's change that. It's another big cat in the wild. There's so many. Hume, I'm not sure if I've got that on there already. I guess it doesn't matter. Let's do it in capitals, keep it consistent. Change it to white. And you see I changed the color using this here. Make it even smaller. I'm going to press Control Z because I did not mean to do that. There you go. Let's reduce the height to 1 like we did on the others. Now we've reduced the height. We can see where the middle is. It's about there. We'll lock that, and there's another side on our shape. And there you go. We've got a dice with all our sides. Sorry, guys, coming back to you in the classroom. Did I spell that correctly? 1 second. Yes, I did. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Hines. So, yeah, and then you've got your dice, and that will save automatically. So, cool. And then next week, what we're going to do, we're going to save it on our computers so we can hand it into a 3D printer. I'm going to give you 3 more minutes, guys, just in case. Okay, let me have a look. Yeah, we can't publish it, unfortunately, guys. It's not like ClipChamp where we can, because it's not a video. That's really good that you've done that, though. You used the screen record there to do that, didn't you? Very good, very good. Brilliant. Brilliant. That's exactly what we needed. Thank you so much. That was brilliant. Really, really good. So actually, Unhuman made a ClipChamp video. He screen recorded it, guys. So he used his ClipChamp skills to show me his dice, which I'm really, really impressed with. Well done. Mr. Hines.
Sorry, Mr. Sims. I just missed that because I was just teaching. I was just helping one of the students.
No, it's fine.
Did you say that Sasha screenshotted his mate, screen recorded his video Of him making his dice on 3D.
Yeah. And then showed it to me.
That is brilliant. No, not Sasha.
It's Natalia. Well done, Natalia.
Natalia. Wow.
It's made my Hawaii holiday. Right, so I'm not actually there. So guys, so Mr. Hines, now I wanted to ask you actually quickly. I know the students, were talking about doing aeronautical engineering, and I found a fun game you can play online. And I was thinking, because we're so far ahead on the dice, I was thinking of playing that with the students for the last 15 minutes.
That is incredible, and I cannot wait to show all the parents that. Thank you very much.
Did you hear what Mr. Hines? Yeah. Very good, Natalia. Very good. So, guys, we've got 1 more minute. We've got time to finish it off in the next lesson, guys. If you need any help, just let me know as well. We are quite far ahead. We've pretty much finished our dice already. We've got another lesson to do still. So yeah, guys, are all the students in the... Do you need some extra time out there, Mr. Hines? Okay, we'll wait. I'll wait a minute, guys. I just want to see if the guys in the classroom have finished. Just have a look at my dice again. I'm going to show you all the sides, guys. There you go. All right, guys, we're going to play a Kahoot quickly once everybody is finished, while the shortcuts are all fresh in our mind, because I'm not sure everybody's played this one. I think just the guys who were at home played it last time. So whenever you're ready, guys. No rush, though. If you guys in the classroom still need time to finish, that's absolutely fine.
Sorry, Mr. Sims, do you want the kids in the class to go on the Kahoot?
Yeah, everybody, please, everybody. But I'm not sure if the kids in the class were finished or not, Mr. Hines, so I was just waiting.
No, they'll be fine. They'll be fine for time. We'll all join in, yeah?
Yeah, everybody can join. It's just about shortcuts on TinkerCad, guys.
Thank you. All right, guys, can you join the Kahoot for TinkerCad, please? Iron Man. Got Georgia's already on there. Okay, sorry. Olamide, Brian, Ignacio, and Emily.
Nearly, we've got quite a few people in. So once everybody's in, we'll go ahead. Not too hard of questions. You should know most of them, guys. Well, pretty much most of you should know all of them, actually. But yeah, so a couple of trick ones in there. Mr. Cheese. Well, Unhuman, Iron Man, GG, Mr. Cheese. So Natalia's Unhuman, so we've got Natalia in. I know that for a fact. The other aliases, I don't know. We've got 2 GGs in. Quite confusing. Unhuman's gone. Brilliant. think that's pretty much everybody, isn't it? Yeah, 8. Okay, I think we're going to go. That's it. 3, 2, 1. TinkerCad quiz. TinkerCad quiz. I'm not going to count down again. Right. Question 1 out of 8. CAD stands for Computer-Aided Design, Candy and Dogs, Computational Addition Design, Computer Advertisement and Design. Which one is it, guys? Yes, it's Computer-Aided Design. We went through it last week. Well done. 7 of you got it correct. Iron Man top, GG second, me third, Live, Mr. Hines is 4th, and Kevin 5th. Let's go. To paste a copied object, the keyboard shortcut is Command-C, Command-Shift, Command-V, Option-P. Remember, Command is also Control, guys. These are Command is for the Mac, Control is for Windows. It's Command-V, guys, to paste. GG top. Kevin's gone second. Another GG's first. Iron Man 4th and me 5th. Let's go. 3 out of 8. To change the work plane, press D, W, Shift D, Shift W. What do you press? It's just W, guys. We went through it a couple of times in today's lesson. Iron Man's back at top. To select an object, click and drag and release. The left mouse button, the mouse wheel, the right mouse button, Shift. Think about which one do you press when you click and drag. It's easy to forget because you're so used to just doing it. The left mouse button, guys, it is. So yes, 4 people press the right one. Just remember, you're clicking the left one there. Kevin second, Iron Man top. Let's go. 5 out of 8. To scale all sides of the object, click on the object while holding Control, Shift, down or up arrow. I'm not sure if we went through this. I think maybe we did. Cool. 4 of you got it right. It's Shift, guys. It's Shift. If you press Shift while resizing, for example, when we resize a text, it will all resize the same, so it will stay flat, and all 4 corners will come down together. Iron Man still top. 6 out of 8. To change the name of a project, click Edit, Duplicate, Design Properties, a cube, Help. Which one is it, guys? Correct. Whoever said Design Properties, or you can go up to the left and double click the name of it while you're in the project and change it that way. Me's gone to the top. Hello? To change the height of this object, I need to click and drag the white square on the top of the box up, the black one on the top of the box up, the white square on the top of the box down, the black cone on the top of the box down. Which one is it, guys? Do you remember what we used? We did it a couple of times in the first 2 lessons. Not sure if we've done it today. Yes, correct. The white square on top of the box. Well done, guys. 8 out of 8. To undo, the keyboard shortcut is, and I used it today while showing you, Command-T, Shift-T, Command-Z, Shift-Z, C. And remember, Control is Command if you're using a Windows. It's Command-Z, guys. That's how you go back a step. So who's top? 3rd, we have Natty. Well done. 2nd, we have me. You think me? And 1st, we have GG. Well done. There's 2 GG, so we don't know which one's which. I'm 4th and Live, Mr. Hines 5th.
No, I was.
Hi guys, so I have to get permission from Mr. Hines. So I don't know if Mr. Hines is there quickly. If he is, let me know. If he isn't, that's fine.
Sorry, sir.
So Mr. Hines, yeah, I've got a flight simulator game that I wanted to play with the children. They don't have to sign up or anything. It's browser based. And because we got a spare 10 minutes, is it okay to play or? I was going to ask you via text, to be fair.
I'm thinking, sir, because next week is the last week. It might be a good idea to do it in the last week. What do you think?
Yeah, I'm up for that.
Sorry?
Yeah, I'm up for that.
Can you do it for an hour? No, sorry, for half an hour next week.
Yeah, okay, that's fine.
And I'll do the Kahoot now, yeah?
Okay, yeah, we just done a Kahoot though, didn't we?
Yeah, I know, but this will be a coding one.
Okay,
I
amazing.
want to
That's
test the
fantastic.
children. I want to test their coding anyway.
Okay, amazing. Because yeah,
Is that
all the
right?
3D
You
modeling,
can pretty much go, sir, and I'll take it from here. To be honest,
we only need to save their work and show. Like next week, we're going to be learning, guys. Just to let you know, sorry. Next week lesson, we're going to be learning about what file types go with which 3D printers, because we're all going to save our file types. It's not going to take long though. It's just 5 minutes before we have some fun next week with. It's like an aeronautical engineering game, so I think you will enjoy it. And that's next week, guys. And
good idea, sir.
so next week we'll be doing that, and yeah. Sorry, I couldn't ask you earlier, Mr. Hines. I just
no problem. And I think it'll be good because Brian and Alejandro, Finn wants to really do the flight simulator because he wants to do aeronautical engineering. Yes, we'll do it next week. Don't worry about what flight simulator is.
We're doing it next week anyway, guys.
We're doing it next week anyway. All right. If you can find it, you can find it. That's fine. Otherwise, don't worry about it. Okay. Okay.
All right then, guys. Well, TYSM, we're going to finish early today, I guess, because we are so ahead on the 3D modeling. Something I don't like to do, but it's you guys being so good as well. I thought it would take up a lot longer to get everybody's dice finished, to be honest with you. So well done to you all. And next week, let's learn what file types are for what 3D printer, guys. All right. See you later, Mr. Hines. Take care, everybody. Hope you enjoy your last Kahoot. Fantastic.
Sorry, sir. What did you say?
No, I just said see you later to everybody, guys. TYSM.
Thank you very much, sir. You take care now. Thank you.
Thanks,
Okay,
Mr.
guys,
Hines.
everyone go to kahoot.it for me, please. Thank you, Mr. Sims. Give him a big TYSM, please, in the chat. And a big TYSM from here. Prepare the Kahoot. We're going to do it. It's going to be a coding Kahoot. It's going to be difficult. Okay, just going to bring it in now, guys. Who else is here? Kevin, Elijah, and Natalia. Okay, here's the code 1181358. Just going to add it to this now. I'm about to add it now. I chose the wrong one. Sorry, guys. It's 138, I think. No, 118. Oi, 118. Eight. Which is the most recent standard of HTML? Most of you should know this. I know Natalia probably knows. HTML5, yes, HTML5. Unhuman and misspelt words. Who was that? Okay. Which is the correct CSS syntax? Oh, we did this one before, but I want you guys to figure it out. You can check on your CSS. You have 10 seconds on glitch. Yes, body color black. Well done. One person. Who was that? Oh, Ignacio. Okay, it's the Ignacio and Natalia battle again. What is the importance of the HTML doc type? Oh, this is a good question. Should be the very first thing on an HTML on HTML. What is a doc type again? It's not important, non-existent.
I think everyone should get this.
Yeah, I think so as well. Good, well done. Well done, Kevin. Well done, Elijah. Well done, Olamide. Is this HTML or CSS? Have a look at it. Look closely at the image. What is it? What code is it? Exactly. I think the time went a bit fast. Well done, Mr. Cheese jumps into third. Elijah, Olamide, Natalia, and then Ignacio. Is this HTML or is it CSS? Look at it. Tell me what it is. Oof. Brian answered that one quickly. What do you think, Olamide? Oh, true. True.
It looks like it's from the smart one.
Very good. I think someone didn't answer the question. If HTML is like the structure of a house, CSS is like the toilet, electrical wiring, wallpaper, or plumbing. It's like the toilet. True, but it's not the correct answer. Did you put toilet? Very good. What tells the browser that this is a HTML document? You should all know this. I'm not even going to say this because that question was 2 minutes ago. Less than. Okay, here we go. Let's keep battling it. What is CSS used for? What is it used for? Another programming language for websites, video games? Is another programming language for websites, or is it anime? Exactly. Well done, guys. Misspelt words. Let's move on to the next one. The language HTML is known for its semicolons, for its tags, flags, or capital letters. I'm looking forward to the answer on this one. Ooh, who put semicolons? Ignacio. Alejandro, you put semicolons. That's CSS. I think someone else. Who else put? Oh, you pressed semicolons. Which of these is not a valid HTML element? Which is not HTML element? This is a trick question. Well done, H7. Why, Olamide? That's correct, because it only goes up to H6. No, H6. H5 is what you're thinking, I think, which is the version of HTML. Kevin, Alejandro needs your help. Is this HTML or CSS? Do you know it's a beautiful thing? That I could, a year ago, I could ask you, is this HTML or CSS? No one would have a clue. Now you guys can make your own websites and make it interactive on JavaScript. I think that's beautiful. Well, next week we're going to be doing a lot more JavaScript. What's the function? HTML is about structuring web page content. CSS is all about destructuring, checking, validating, or styling. Extra points. Someone tell me what a function is in the chat. Pot noodle. Not a bot. Yes. Yes. What's a div tag? What's a div tag? That's what makes it works. Almost, Kevin. Function is a program that has many different functions within it. Yeah. Very good though, Kevin. Very, very good. Okay. We don't have time, unfortunately. Third, Elijah in third. In second, Unhuman. That's Natalia. But in first, 12 out of 12, all questions correct, was misspelt words Ignacio. Well done. And in fourth, me. And fifth, Mr. Cheese Brian the Brain. Cheese Brain. Okay. Pardon? No, fifth. No, I never said. I said Mr. Brain. Mr. Cheese Brain. Oh. Yeah. No, the name was me. Yes. Okay, guys. Lovely. Well done. Thank you very much. We're going to end the online lesson slightly earlier today, but not to worry, the online lesson. And we're also ending because we're ending the lesson here now. So if you guys can sign out of your Chromebooks for me, please.
Will this video take any editing?
Sorry?
Will this video take any editing?
Sorry?
Will this video take any editing?
Video editing?
Yeah, will this take any editing until you can post it on?
No, no, no. Okay, lovely. Well, now I've just said all that. Maybe we will. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Does anyone have any questions?
No comms on my desk.
Kevin, Natalia, Elijah, do you have any questions? Alamidi?
I got no comms, like you said.
Next time, next time. You're not far off, Alamidi, are you? You're not far off.
It's all my question.
Bye.
Subscribe. No, don't like and don't subscribe.
It's going to go on YouTube. Don't like, don't subscribe. We eat puppies.
I don't want to subscribe, trust me.
Like and subscribe, or there'll be a spider in your bed at 3 a.m. in the morning.
If you like and subscribe, you get 10 years. Good luck.
Okay, so thank you very much, guys.
Peeps.
Catch you later, peeps. We will see you next week. Thank you very much, Natalia, Elijah, Our Lady of the Rosary, Kevin. Thank you very much. We'll see you next. I'll see you this week. All this week when we come back next week. Sorry. Finishing the website. So, yeah, was that right, Emily? We're going to finish the websites.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yeah.
All right, guys. See you later. Take care. I'm going to close the website. Close the lesson now. Thank you.